See here, the next topic, there is a soil erosion. Soil erosion means removal of soil due to running water, wind, animals or human activities. That is called soil erosion. So the upper layer of the soil that is removed by running water, wind, animal and human activity. So in this way the humus, the top layer of the soil, that is removed. So in this way it is called soil erosion. It is a serious problem which affects not only land but also the human being. So it is a serious problem because the quality of land that is degrade, and in this way the agricultural products and the quality of soil also decrease. So it is the serious problem. Now see the causes, means the reason why which soil erosion increase or happen. So see here, deforestation, cutting of trees continuously, so it is called deforestation. Due to also there is the soil erosion. Overgrazing, overgrazing means the animal, those who graze the grass too much, so that is called overgrazing. It is also the cause of soil erosion. Then shifting cultivation, shifting cultivation, that is in tribal areas, in forest areas, so they cut the trees, burn and they shift one place to another place. So it is also the loss of vegetation and decreasing of land quality. That is wind erosion. It is happen in open area where the air blow very fast. So in this way, due to blowing air very fast, the upper particles of the land or soil, it also fly or erodes. So that is a soil erosion. And there is a scientific non-scientific method of agriculture in India. Maximum in a village or in a rural areas the farmers practice non-scientific methods. So in this way they also create soil erosion unknowingly. So that is, these are the causes. Now see the effect. There is a long duration of dry season due to soil erosion. It happens, the duration of dry season means there is no greenness, vegetation on the earth surface, on the land. Negative effect on source of the water. It also decreases the level of water due to lack of greenness, lack of water. The diversion of streams due to soil erosion, the rivers also divert from their path and they turn into urban or rural areas and they create floods. So in this way it is also one effect of soil erosion. There is an adverse effect of agriculture, means the quality of land they degrade, means they decrease soil erosion. So there is also negative or adverse effect on agriculture. And the last is reduction in agricultural land. So they also decrease the land, agricultural land, because of soil erosion. Means the total amount of agricultural land, fertile land, they decrease to soil erosion. Now the next is soil conservation. So by saying these things, the conclusion is we should conserve the soil. So the definition is, prevention of soil erosion is called soil conservation. It is also for present and it is also for future use. So the methods are here. Contour farming. Soil erosion happens actually in hilly areas. So there is a contour farming. Contour farming means there is it should be like in this way farming here. So here they can control the water running very fast. That is called contour farming. So by this we can control the soil erosion, especially in hilly areas. So there is also question, contour farming practice in hilly areas, not in a plain areas. See, tree plantation, we know that the trees, the importance of trees, that is very important in our surrounding, in our environment on earth. So maximum there should be tree plantation in our surrounding, in our school, colleges, residential areas, industrial areas, everywhere, maximum there should be tree plantation. Collection of running water in mountain slopes and uneven areas. So we should also collect running water. Running water means the fast running water. Due to this, they also cut the soil, and the fertile part of the soil they cut and transfer one place to another place. So that is we should collect the running water, especially in mountain area or in a slope area or uneven area. Okay, and developed grazing land in rural areas. Grazing means it is for animals where they eat the grass, so that land should be increased to control overgrazing. Okay, so these are the methods of soil conservation. See here, the next topic, there is a water resource. So in this below on the earth there is a 71% water, 25% land, and human body also contain 70% of water. Okay, so these are the common things. Then let us discuss the source of water. The sources. First number there is water, surface water. Surface water means water which is present on the earth's surface in the form of rivers, ponds, lakes. Okay, so there are many other sources, and human beings also use these resources from ancient time. Second number, groundwater. Groundwater, it is also called underground water because rainwater is shop means seeking जो रिसाव है. It is also natural process and it just go on inside the earth. It has become underground water. So it differ place to place because geological, physiographic and hydrological factors affect place to place. So it is ground or underground water source. Then atmospheric water, it is in the form of water vapors. We can't see because these are in the form of vapors. Then ocean waters. Ocean water, that is in the sense of sea and ocean. So that Arabian Sea, Bengal, Indian Ocean. So these are present in the sphere. As I told you, 71% water. So these are in the form of oceanic water. Uses, we know it is very common thing in our life. Means water is very common thing. So we use in several purposes, and we also use in irrigation. So the source of irrigation, canals, wells, tubewells, tanks. Okay, so these are things. And the important thing is the conservation, because water, that is the precious thing, precious resource in our life. Due to this there is a life on the earth. Due to water. See, so we should conserve the water. So we can conserve in the process of rainwater harvesting. Do not waste the rainwater, collect it and just maintain the level of underground water. That is called water harvesting. And we can also use scientific management. We should not waste the water in our daily life. And prevent from pollution. We can also prevent the pollution, means the water from pollution. So these are the points of conservation.